This guy right here, he's been trying to land. Hasn't had much luck. Oops.
Doesn't have much luck, but he's trying.
Yep, so we're going to watch him.
Oh, they're landing.
What?
Balloons landing.
I told you. Let's see, we'll get him when he's get closer. You don't need to put any more on there. No? On balloons. They're landing. There's enough coals there to cook that. Oh, yeah, we're making, check it out. Let me make this, Jeremy came and stayed with me out here. But we got a couple burgers there.
Burgers.
A couple fat burgers cooking.
Fat burgers.
Fat burgers.
Here he comes. Here we go, guys.
Okay, here we go.
You ready for the plane?
He's trying to land. I think there's a school over there.
Flying school.
Flying school. And this is his third try, so.
Third time's a charm.
Mm-hmm. There he goes. His propeller's hardly moving.
Yeah. He's just doing a little test flight.
Let's see. Is he going back up? He went down that time, I think. Anyway, this is where we're camping for free, you guys. Look at that sky. This is the Arizona sunset, you guys. That's where we're camping for free. Peoria, Arizona. Beautiful sky, beautiful sunset. Beautiful to a beautiful day. It's probably 70 degrees or something like that right now.
Keep going. Oh, he landed. Look, see dust?
Yep, he did. He landed.
Third time's a charm.
Can't see it because of the sunset there, but this is where we're at. Look at the sky. Is that amazing? I've been able to share some really amazing skies with you guys. It looks like a nose and a mouth and a haircut and a chin. Look at that right there in the center. Doesn't it? Maybe I'm just crazy, but anyway, look at that. Beautiful mountain range there. And let me make this go small. And people are camped here for free. And some people I think are living out here. We're like 15 minutes into Sun City. We're right here in Peoria, and up that way is Phoenix. So right here on, I think that's 72, Highway 72 or something right there. And,
Another one.
what?
Another one coming in.
Oh. Huh. Can't see him. There's another plane coming in. I see him now. Right there. Maybe they've all landed, Jeremy.
Huh?
Maybe they were all landing.
Yeah, I think there's a bunch of them, a whole school of them, like you said.
Yeah. This one will be coming through. We'll get him also. It's pretty cool. Oops. Oh. Let's see about getting those balloons, some more of those balloons. Let's see. Yeah. There we go. Landing over there. There's one landed over there. And see, sorry, I have it zoomed in all the way, you guys. I had to unzoom it. It's coming around. There's Jeremy. There's the Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell! Tinkerbell! Hi! Say hi!
Tinkerbell!
And That's that beautiful sunset. And here comes that plane. He's going over there to land. Right into that beautiful sunset. All right, have a great day, because you know you can. Explore everything.
Peace.
Peace. That's awesome, Derby.